I thought that was Diggs.
What you say?
I thought that was Diggs. In a Victor costume. He was over there dancing. I said, "That's got to be Diggs."
He should be. He'd be a good mascot.
I know. He'd be a mascot. Turn that foot. Turn that foot. Turn that foot. Don't turn your shoulders. Come on, Jaleel, don't turn your shoulders. Let's go, Tayshawn, lock him out, lock him out, lock him out, lock him out. You were in great shape, right? And then you try to jump in front of him. You know, you have to play the leverage. If he goes inside, I'm going to play on his outside shoulder. If he comes back underneath me like a center field turn and get back. No install. We got 7-on-7 down here, red zone. One-on-one pass rush down there, huh?
We got 2 minutes today? No, we do 2 minutes.
Not today, baby. Down there. BB, down there. Red zone, 7-on-7.
Oh, it's straight 7-on?
7-on-7. 7-on-7 down there, red zone. Yeah, we got this big 98 that just beats on these little guys. Don't think about running in there. Change the mentality. Change the line of scrimmage. Second group. Second group. Ball's right there. Second group.
George, 21.
If you get hurt sliding, don't come by me.
That's the real ball, right?